Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we have the second lecture of chemistry. Now, today we have to define chemistry. We have to study about the need for the chemistry in daily life. So, first of all, starting from the definition of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with. Before starting the points of the definition of chemistry, I would like to say about the science. What is meant by the word science? Science means to know about things. So there are different types of the knowledge is available. So as we said, the chemistry is the branch of science. So in chemistry, we have to know about things. So now our the point of concern in the definition of chemistry is that chemistry deals with the matter. It deals with the properties of matter. Definitely matter have different properties from the different objects it is made up of. Then changes in matter. Matter can be changed from one form to another. Then rules which bring these changes. Second, as we said earlier that in chemistry we deals with the matter, the properties of the matters, the changes in matter and rules which bring these changes. Now we have to define what is meant by this important word matter. Matter, anything which has mass and occupies space, is called matter. There are different examples in daily life. For example, you are sitting on a chair. Chair is a matter. In front of you, table is a matter. Your laptop is matter. Your fan is matter. Walls are matter, made up of bricks. Then similarly, you drink water. Water is a matter. Then the gases, the air, consist of the oxygen and nitrogen. They are matter. So all these things, they occupy space and they have certain mass. So we called them as a matter. So this is the definition of matter. There are three forms of matter now, as I said earlier: solid, liquid and gas. And these are very important forms in that sense that these forms are called states of matter. And matter can be can these forms of the matter can be converted into each other. So we called them that the states of matters are interconvertible into each other. It means you can change the solid into liquid and liquid into gas. And similarly, you can change the gas into liquid and liquid into back into solid. And we can also change the solid directly to gas and directly gas back into the solid. So this is what I am trying to say, interconvertible into each other. So matter is very important because the whole definition, the basis of chemistry based on the matter and their changes. Then third, next point is why there is a need to study chemistry. Why study chemistry? Dear students, you are surrounded by matter and all the material, all chemicals. The air you are breathing in is a mixture of elements like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and noble gases. So it's a mixture. So consists of the elements. The book you are reading is made from wood pulp or cellulose which has been bleached and treated with the various chemicals. Cloths are made from synthetic chemicals called polymers. So again, they are chemicals, they are matter. So there is a need for the chemistry. So it is for the reason that the fact that chemistry is everywhere and does affect all aspects of our lives. Understanding the basic chemistry and chemical terms will help to make your material world more meaningful. Now, the next is the slide based on the chemical hazardous warning labels. Why there is a need to bring these labels here? Dear students, whenever you are dealing with the chemistry, so definitely you are dealing with the chemistry, chemicals, you are dealing with the laboratory work. So it is very important to mention here about these warning labels, and you must familiar with these warning labels, because on daily basis you have to work with the chemicals, with the labs. So first of all, from starting from the left, there is a cross. This is the harmful sign. Whenever this sign is labeled on some bottle in chemistry laboratory, so it shows that this chemical is harmful. The second one, from left to right, it is explosive sign. It can explode. Third, corrosive. It can damage your skin, cloths, like that, like acids and the bases, the strong bases. Then the dangerous for the environment, something dangerous for the environment, the sign is normally you can see this sign. Then the some of the compounds, especially the organic compounds, the covalent compounds, they can catch fire easily. So we take the flammable, the sign of flammable. Then toxic chemicals, the poisonous chemicals, so they are signed with this sign, toxic. Then oxidizing agents, then radioactive, then biohazards, biochemical hazards are available, so we give this sign. Then poison, then oxidizing, as earlier I said, then general danger, then explosive, then flammable, and then electrical hazards are there. So these are the signs of chemistry. So these are the warning labels in chemistry. So this was all about the brief introduction of about the definition of chemistry, then about the matter, the states of matters, the solid, liquid, and gas, and then very important point, that these states of matters can be interconvertible into each other. So in the later stage, we will discuss about these states of matter, how they are changing from solid is changing into liquid, liquid is changing uh, into gas, and what are the processes behind them. And then we study about why there is a need of chemistry. So I have given a little importance of chemistry, that some of the example I have trying to show some importance of chemistry with the examples from the daily life. And then we have discussed about the chemistry hazardous warning label. Thank you so much. Inshallah, in the next slide we have the more topics to discuss.